Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Docs app on your laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the Docs application. You'll need to log in with your existing account or quickly create a new one if you're a first-time user. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, which typically displays your recent documents and options to start something new. It's a straightforward process to get up and running. Now, let's create your first document. Simply click the New Document button, often prominently displayed, to begin with a blank canvas or select from a variety of helpful templates. The formatting toolbar at the top offers numerous options to customize your text, from changing fonts and sizes to applying bold or italics. You can also easily insert images, tables, or hyperlinks to enhance your document's content, making it visually appealing and informative. One of the most powerful features of the Docs app is its collaboration capability. To share, click the Share button, enter the email addresses of your collaborators, and choose their access level, such as viewer or editor. You can then see their edits and comments in real time, fostering seamless teamwork. If you ever need to review past changes, the version history allows you to easily revert to any previous state of your document, providing peace of mind. To truly master the Docs app, consider exploring its advanced features. Many add-ons and extensions are available to enhance its capabilities, from grammar checkers to citation tools. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity, saving you valuable time. Finally, remember you can download your documents in several formats, including PDF or Microsoft Word, ensuring you have access to your work even when you're offline or need to share with someone using different software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.